Hello friends, how you doing? Welcome to another video by Rhea, English for Real Life. So today I present you 20 difficult words to pronounce in English. Are you ready? 2 minutes video, let's run out. Number one, schedule. Schedule. Next, procedure. Procedure. Approximately. Approximately. Comfortable. Don't say comfortable. Comfortable. All right? Next, understandable. Understandable. Comprehension. In this case, letter H sounds like H. Comprehension. Autonomous. Autonomous. Automatically. Automatically. Authorized. Authorized. Absolutely. Absolutely. Remember, we never pronounce the words the way they are written. Next, infrastructure. Infrastructure. Important. Important. Interested. Interested. Next, interesting. Interesting. Hundred. Don't say hundred. Hundred. Bologna, crazy word. This is from Italian. Bologna. Colonel. This is crazy. Colonel. Worcestershire. Worcestershire, like the English sauce. Mischievous. Mischievous. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Sausage. Sausage. And the last one, Q. Follow me for more videos like this. Okay, thanks for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye, friends.